The latest coming in from Srinagar, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is meeting a delegation of the National Conference, PDP and BJP leaders at the Raj Bhavan. He will then spend his Diwali evening with flood-affected victims in the capital. Mir Farid joins us live with more. Farid, we are given to understand that there is also a section of the flood victims who are standing right outside the Raj Bhavan seeking an audience with the Prime Minister.
Yes, that's right, Anand. There are flood victims, basically disgruntled people who say that the government, the state authorities have only allowed high-profile people, basically big business houses, NGOs and all, to meet the Prime Minister, and the person who has suffered on the grassroots, the common man, has not been allowed. And in fact, through the day, these people were right behind me outside the gate of the Raj Bhavan and were kind of protesting. They were trying to plead their case before the security personnel, trying to tell them that they be allowed inside. So that really is something that could have been avoided. Now, right now, I can tell you the Prime Minister is here in the Raj Bhavan. In fact, in moments from now, he will leave for the technical airport, and from there he will leave back for Delhi. Now, right now, I'm also being joined by Anand, by state spokesperson of BJP, Khalid Jahangir. Khalid, how do you see this visit? There are people who are disgruntled outside the gate. They haven't been allowed inside. So don't you think this is kind of a dampener to all the build-up and everything that the Prime Minister did? Because these are the common people who have suffered the most, and they allege that only high-profile people have been allowed inside.
See, there is so much loss in the Kashmir Valley that the whole people are being suffered. So we cannot afford that so many people can meet the Prime Minister. But their representatives have met the Prime Minister. He has taken the view. He has listened to them very open-heartedly, and he will respond it very shortly.
Khalid, your opponents, especially the Congress, and in fact even at a level the National Conference, allege that this is just a gimmick before polls. The Prime Minister wants to get to the electorate, to the vote bank. How do you see those allegations? How do you react to that?
Well, since Modi has become our Prime Minister, they are only playing the political gimmicks and have some acquisition on a party. But whenever Congress used to take these kind of steps, we used to be with them. I don't know why they have now left out, because they know that there's a public war against them this period, so they don't want to face the public.
Right. So there, Anand, the representative of the BJP, making it clear that whatever the Congress and the opposition parties are saying is just out of frustration. They have been completely sidelined by this gesture of the Prime Minister, so they are doing it out of frustration. But yes, the Prime Minister is here, but still we're eagerly waiting. And in fact, the people are waiting for the fact that whether there will be any package that the Prime Minister will announce, whether any economic package will be announced or not. But that's a matter of time, because still the Prime Minister is in Srinagar, so maybe he may address the press, or at some other level he may announce it. But as of now, no package. But still, the Prime Minister was there, and he has met a cross-section of people, including political delegations as well as business delegations also.
Right, Farid, thanks for that. We're also standing by for a comment from the Prime Minister or from the Home Secretary. They are scheduled to address the media in a short while from now. We have to see who comes out and speaks to the media. Meanwhile, reactions also coming in from the Congress and a counter from the BJP.
Kashmir, after the natural calamity, the devastation which happened there, the Prime Minister visiting there, we welcome that. The Prime Minister did not find time to visit Kashmir when Kashmir was really in tears. Now the rebuilding activity is going on. What is expected from the Government of India? Government of Kashmir wanted sufficient financial support to rebuild. That was not given. It was only a paltry sum which was given by the central government for the rebuilding. That means Modi sitting in Delhi can do something for Kashmir. That he did not do. Kashmir is going to polls in another few months' time. Now he is going with a high-profile, publicity. He is going to Kashmir. Why? That means it gives out an impression that it is not for the rebuilding or the of helping Kashmir. It is for the coming election propaganda. Knowing Modi very well, the people understand that why he is going.
ये एक इंसानी जज्बे का सवाल है। वो इंसानी जज्बा लोगों का दर्द है। वहाँ जो दर्दमंद हैं उनके साथ दिवाली के दीप जलाए जा रहे हैं। तो उन दर्दमंदों के ज़ख्मों पर मरहम लगेगा, उन दर्दमंदों को विश्वास होगा, यकीन होगा भरोसा होगा कि ये सरकार उनके सरोकार के लिए समर्पित है। इसलिए जो है वो ये वोट से इसका ताल्लुक ही नहीं है। वो प्रधानमंत्री जी बीजेपी के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं है, देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, हर इंसान के प्रधानमंत्री है। कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक जो लोग रह रहे हैं उनके प्रधानमंत्री हैं।